everybody, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. Today we're going to be walking through the all-new Sea Ray 280 SLX. This one is in the outboard configuration. It has the teal hull, tan sea deck, and the tan upholstery as well. As we start from the transom of this boat, we're going to start there and walk forward. I'm going to show you a really nice feature here. Just how much pride they take in their storage and the use of it. This actually goes all the way up. So if you have a paddleboard, if you have water skis, the oars to the paddleboard, everything like that is going to tuck nicely right in there. Speaker system's out back, and all your battery controls are right here on the right side of that. Tucks down nicely and neatly away. You have an insulated beverage cooler here, followed by another speaker on the starboard side. There's a plug there, so that'll drain out as well. And as we move up into the boat, you have a fusion radio control here. Your boarding ladder is out back. Cup holder and a USB outlet right there as well. Moving into the cockpit of the boat, you really got an awesome layout. Right here, we have this beautiful teak table deployed. That's great. Put coconuts out on it. People can sit around here. Plenty of cup holders. And then starboard side here, you have a removable cooler. We don't have the cooler in it yet, it's back at the shop. But this tucks neatly away here. This is a nice little feature too. You can open this up and slide it back, so you're not trying to wiggle it in there, dealing with all that nonsense. Another insulated cooler back here, and that's a hinged seat. Now, if you come into the boat here, I'm going to show you this underneath with plenty of storage there. This one is on a D-ring hinge, and that pops up here. So you have a little bit more storage. You can put a tray in here, but this is access to all your power steering, your fuel tanks, your electronics, the amplifier for the radio. Everything is nice, neat. I mean, look at how neat this is, guys. This is straight from the factory, beautifully done. They take a lot of care and a lot of pride into how that looks in the bilge area. Popping this back down here. Slide this cushion out of the way real quick. And you have more storage up along the starboard side. Up above, you have Sea Ray's power tower option with those big fusion tower speakers. And you do have joystick in this one. So as we pan over to the helm, you have the double helm seat. All right, so you and your loved ones or a friend can sit right here and cruise along. Joystick access with the skyhook, autopilot, and auto heading. Digital throttle and shift by Mercury. Nice flush gauges there with the push buttons and your twin Simrad screens, accompanied by a fusion radio there. Beautifully done. Port side, we have a lock and glove box. Foam wallet keys right in there. And a big head compartment. You have a vacuum flush toilet and a sink there, as well as storage underneath. Captain's chair, excuse me. Opposite side here, you have another captain's chair on the port side there, and both of these actually spin, so when you're entertaining, everybody feels like they're in the same area, which is really nice. Up at the bow, you have two more Fusion Audio speakers, a couple more cup holders. You have a table mount that sits there that can also double as a filler cushion, and everything's all illuminated throughout. Up front, you have a beautiful stainless Lumar windlass, making everything nice and easy. Guys, beautiful boat, beautiful boat. We were out running this one the other day, 2 footers in the chop, and it's ripping right through there. Sea Ray really did a great job on the redesign of this boat. The outboards with twin 250s on this, no comparison. Give us a call today if you want to check this one out. We'll have it in the showroom all winter. All right, it'll be in there with our indoor storage. If you have questions about this, pop on by, give me a call, whatever's easier. 781-635-8684 is my number. And we're at 10 Hutchinson Drive in Danvers, Mass. See you soon.